This is how you take off drum brakes. You find the nut that fits in one of these holes. See that hole right there? That goes to your rotor, and it when you put the nut in there, it pushes off, right? So yeah, you just you find the right nut. For me, it's like I'm not sure what this is actually, but it's the right one. So yeah, it literally just pries off. You do both sides so you don't strain the threads. Okay. And they want you to do this with a spanner or like an adjustable wrench because it's so close. It's so close to this one. So they did that on purpose. It's not like they didn't do that. So basically, I think it's free now. Yeah, I think it's free. So basically, what happens is the screws push on the hub, right? And it basically pries it open. Alright, and hold on. So then there's four bolts right there. One, two, three. Back there somewhere. Four. For me, it happens to be a 14 millimeter bolt. So I just put that in there. So you do it like that. You tighten that bit. Hold on. You do it like that. Tighten that into that wall right there. See that? The backing, this backing. You tighten it into that, and it pries off this part. I'll show you. I mean, basically, you end up, you have to hold, this side, the pair of pliers. You have to hold that side. Can you see that? With a pair of pliers, or like a wrench or something, and then you have to drive the bolt side with like a socket or impact wrench or something. You'll hear like a loud whack when it lets free. And then now it's loose, so I make sure I take off the ABS sensor, which is back there. Kind of hard to see. Actually, maybe I could take that later. Take this off. Okay, hold on. So basically, I just disconnected by pulling out right here. Right there. Just like prying that tab up like that. And then there was another cover on there, and I just did the same thing. It just has the pry on tab. I had to go to the back and pry it to the back too. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna put this back together and put on the bolts again. Make sure it's facing the right way, like this. And do make sure that this arch is going up. That's the right way. Alright. Okay, now that the bearing is back on and it feels nice, not terrible. I mean, compared to this one. Yeah, this one is all over the place. I'm gonna put back the shoe of the brake. Okay, the brake shoe's back on. Sorry, you can't see that. This part is okay. The brake shoe's back on. About to put the tire back on, and it's fine now. All right, we're done. I'll go for a test.